Okay, guys, good news and bad news. Bad news first. IXL has grammar. Good news. IXL has grammar, and I am so excited, which means that you are going to have this amazing program to click through and practice the grammar skills that we very much would like for you to have. What I want to do right now is to kind of show you how this works and to show you how I am thinking through each of these different IXL programs. If we are looking at adjective practice today, what I would like for you to do is to look with me and read. A translator must be creative in rewriting text for words or phrases that do not have exact translations. My job is to find two different adjectives. Well, adjectives, as we have already described, are words that describe nouns. So you can do this in one of two different ways. You can either look for nouns in the sentence or you can look for words that you feel like describe them. In this sentence, well, a translator's a noun, but I'm not supposed to label the A, so I'm going to leave that alone. And now I'm going to look past that. Does anything describe this translator? Hmm. I think creative describes that translator. The adjectives can come later in the sentence. So this is a good first one to look for. And now I'm going to go rewriting. Well, that's doing something. Text is a thing, so it's a noun. If you can touch it or think about it, it's a noun. Words are nouns, phrases, nouns that do not have exact translations. Well, the only other noun that I see here is a translation. What word describes translation? Exact. So there are going to be my two adjectives. You're going to submit it. Oh, we're correct. Let's do one more together before I leave you. Select two adjectives. In the spring, flocks of cranes stop to rest along the Platte River in Nebraska. The flocks combine to form the largest gathering of migrating cranes in the world. Well, in this first sentence, we have flocks of cranes, but those are both things, so those are both nouns. Stop is what they do. Along describes where they are. Platte River is the name of something, so that's not going to be an adjective. The flocks combine to form the largest gathering. What describes gathering? Gathering is a thing. What describes gathering? Largest. Past that point, we have cranes. Cranes is a noun, cranes is a thing. What describes the cranes? Migrating. In the sentence, it's going to be an adjective. Submit. All right. Your job is to get to 80. That's your job. Past that, if you want to go on and if you want to get a higher score, that's awesome. I'm going to ask that you get an 80. Thanks. Bye.